Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, whatever it is, good everything, good in, depending on where you are in the world and at what time you are watching this video. Welcome to African Joe Lecture Series. My name is African Joe, and as always, I tell you no lie. Today, we shall talk about another very important subject in our lives, and that is universal health care. Let me start by saying that it is often said that the greatness of a country should be measured by how well that country takes good care of her weak and poor citizens. More than 40 million Americans are without health care or health insurance. These are the poor people and the middle class workers, especially minorities like me. The United States has the best doctors in the world, yet we have more illnesses than any other country in the world also. Worse still, the United States is the only developed country that does not have a comprehensive healthcare system. Countries like Canada, United Kingdom, Sweden, Germany, the Netherlands, and even little Cuba in our backyard all have free, comprehensive, and affordable healthcare systems. I tell you no lie, homies. Only the United States has repeatedly repudiated several attempts to implement a universal healthcare system. I tell you no lie, America. The United States has put people on the moon, sent people to space for experiments and vacation, and has been making preparations even to go to Mars. Yet, and yet, the United States has failed to provide universal health care for her citizens. This is a shame, homie. It is a shame. Why don't we have a free or universal health care system? The reason is this. It is because our lawmakers in Congress and other politicians have betrayed the American people again and sold us to the pharmaceutical companies and insurance companies. The rich can obviously buy their own health care, and the rich make more money from the high cost of health care in America. I tell you no lie. What the rich, the lawmakers, and other politicians do not understand is that a sick country is an unproductive country. Our country is seriously sick, homies. It is seriously sick because of the lack of adequate and affordable health care. Unless we implement a universal healthcare system soon, like the rest of the developed world, we will continue to be sick and unproductive, and our GDP will continue to decline. I tell you no lie, America. I tell you no lie, my homies. So it's been African Joe, and as always, I tell you no lie. So thank you very much for watching.